So what is exactly the Facebook apps download process? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from App Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and download the Facebook application. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now there are multiple ways to download the Facebook application, but the official way is always the better one. If you're on iPhone, you can open up your respective app store. If you're on Android, you have to open up Google Play Store. But if you're on Windows, you can use the web version, which is facebook.com, or you can also use the Microsoft version of the application, which is available easily on Microsoft Store. So if you want to download the Facebook application, just go ahead and then make sure you're connected first of all to the internet, because if you're not connected to the Wi-Fi internet, you certainly will not be able to download application. After that, I want you to go ahead and launch your respective app store. So as I said, iOS users, open your app store. For Android users, open your Google Play Store. Now once you open up your respective app stores, in the search box what you have to do is just go ahead and then type in Facebook. Once you search for Facebook, you can see this application right over here by Meta Platform. Now if you have not actually installed this application before, you'll find a green install button. In my case, I've already downloaded as well as installed it, so you're seeing the open button. And for iOS users, you have to simply tap on the cloud-like icon in order to download it, and you may need to verify with the biometrics or your Apple ID password in order to re-authenticate the download for your app store. And after you've downloaded it, it may also take some time to install it for Android users. And once you've installed it, now you can just go ahead and launch your Facebook application. Now you can log into your account, you can post on your timeline, you can watch stories, you can post stories, and so on. And this is the Facebook application's download process. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.